Hey guys, is your Windows PC getting disconnected from Wi-Fi repeatedly? Or is the Wi-Fi logo not showing up? Then today in this video, you will get the solution to this Wi-Fi problem. So without further delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to Windows and search for Device Manager. Then, open it. Here, click on Network Adapters. Then, right-click on Intel R. Then, click on Properties. Here, go to Advance, then click on Transmit Power and change the value from lowest to highest. Then click on OK. Now your PC's Wi-Fi will not disconnect repeatedly. If you still have problems with your Wi-Fi connection, then go to the search option of your PC and type Services. Then go to Services. Here, right-click on the WLAN option and go to Properties. Here, the startup type should be Automatic. Then, start the service status below. Now click on Apply, then click on OK. Then right-click on the WWAN option below and go to Properties. Here too, set the startup type to Automatic and the service status to Running. This will solve your Wi-Fi problem. If your Wi-Fi is still not working properly, then you need to do a complete network reset. For this, go to Settings, then click on Network and Internet, then click on Advanced Network Settings, then go to Network Reset. Click here, Network Reset. After that, your PC will restart and Wi-Fi related problems will be solved. There is another way to solve this problem. Search for Control Panel here. Click on Internet option here. Then go to Connections and click on LAN Setting. Make sure that Automatically Detect Settings is selected here. Then if this proxy server is selected here, uncheck it and click on OK. Then go to Advanced, then click on Restore Advanced Settings. Now click on Apply and OK. This will solve all the problems related to Wi-Fi on your PC. If you want to get such informative videos, subscribe to the channel and like it. You can comment on any problem you have. Thanks for watching.